Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Brainly account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Brainly account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in brainly.in like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Brainly login like this on the Google and hit enter, and you can see the brainly.com over here on the first result of Google. Click over there. This is also the home page of Brainly, whereas on the first tab we are still on the home page of Brainly. You can see the join now button available and the login button available over here. Since both are available on these pages, let's close one of these. Now to log into your Brainly account, simply click on login, and after that, after you land on this page, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Brainly account. Or if you want to log into your Brainly account with your Google, Apple or your Facebook ID, simply click on these like this, and login respective login pages to Google, Apple or Facebook will open. If you log into your Google, Apple or Facebook account over here, then you can log into your Brainly from these accounts. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot your password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Brainly, simply click on sign up to go through a procedure to create an account on Brainly. And this is how you log into your Brainly account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.